Algorand value equivalent to 2.9942 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.9495 The earlier day close, 3.1171. The change was 0.1229, 3.94%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 3.13 rands, high 3.35, low 2.91. Algorand figure on Friday, May 26, cost 3.09 rands, high 3.31, low 2.87. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 3.05 rands, high 3.26, low 2.84. Algorand figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 3.06 rands, high 3.27, low 2.85. In multi-week Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 3.08 rands, high 3.30, low 2.86. Algorand conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 2.96 rands, high 3.17, low 2.75. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 2.96 rands, high 3.17, low 2.75. Algorand conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 3.03 rands, high 3.24, low 2.82. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 3.15 rands, high 3.37, low 2.93. In about 14 days Algorand conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 3.21 rands, high 3.43, low 2.99. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 3.21 rands, high 3.43, low 2.99. Algorand figure on Friday, June 9, cost 3.24 rands, high 3.47, low 3.01. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 3.14 rands, high 3.36, low 2.92. Algorand figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost 3.21 rands, high 3.43, low 2.99. In 3 weeks Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 3.19 rands, high 3.41, low 2.97. Algorand figure on Thursday, June 15, cost 3.04 rands, high 3.25, low 2.83. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 3.02 rands, high 3.23, low 2.81. Algorand estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 2.92 rands, high 3.12, low 2.72. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 2.97 rands, high 3.18, low 2.76. In about a month Algorand estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost 2.92 rands, high 3.12, low 2.72. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 2.99 rands, high 3.20, low 2.78. Algorand estimate on Friday, June 23, cost 3.03 rands, high 3.24, low 2.82. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 3.30 rands. Excessive cost 3.58, while low cost 2.84. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.20. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.08, change for May 6.7%. Algorand figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 3.08 rands. Excessive cost 3.47, while low cost 2.70. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.07. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.04, change for June 1.3%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 3.04 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.04, while low cost 2.37. They found the middle value of cost 2.75. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.55, change for July 16.1%. Algorand estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.55 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.55, while low cost 2.13. They found the middle value of cost 2.38. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.29, change for August 10.2%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 2.29 rands. Excessive cost 2.61, while low cost 2.27. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.40. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.44, change for September 6.6%. Algorand conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 2.44 rands, excessive cost 3.03, while low cost 2.44. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.69. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.83, change for October 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 2.83 rands, exorbitant cost 2.83, while low cost 2.21. They found the middle value of cost 2.56. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.38, change for November 15.9%. Algorand figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 2.38 rands, excessive cost 2.38, while low cost 1.86. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.16. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.00, change for December 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 2.00 rands, excessive cost 2.19, while low cost 1.91. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.04. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.05, change for January 2.5%. Algorand conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 2.05 rands, excessive cost 2.55, while low cost 2.05. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.26. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.38, change for February 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 2.38 rands, excessive cost 2.38, while low cost 1.95. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.20. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.10, change for spring 11.8%. Algorand conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at 2.10 rands, excessive cost 2.45, while low cost 2.10. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.24. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.29, change for April 9.0%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at 2.29 rands, excessive cost 2.29, while low cost 1.79. They found the middle value of cost 2.07. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 1.92, change for May 16.2%. ZAR to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 0.3340 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.3185 minus 0.3390. The earlier days nearby 0.3208. Change for now plus 0.0132 plus 4.11%. Rand to Algorand figure on Thursday, May 25, cost 0.319 coins, high 0.344, low 0.299. ZAR to ALGO expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 0.324 coins, high 0.348, low